So for me, Glofox on a daily basis looks something like this. Wake up in the morning, make a coffee. First thing I look at is my Looker dashboard. So I've got all of my key metrics that I can see. Our group level team, we know those numbers, that's everything. We still work very closely with our franchisees. So whether it be we want to look at our top performers and we want to benchmark, or whether it's when we look at our bottom performers and we're trying to firefight and discover what's happening, all of the information is there. To get our hands on data, which previously would have taken us weeks for certain things. It sounds really, really simple, but if you're not on a system like Glofox, to pull out your active membership number off an Excel spreadsheet, not only is it painstaking, it's inaccurate. So just small things like that on a day-to-day basis is really helpful. As you start having various conversations with different people around investment and things like this, having all of that information there at the touch of a button, it's everything. In terms of what we need at a group level, all of the analytics and dashboard capability, whether it's via the overall Looker Analytics tool or whether it's dashboard or whether it's on my phone, the thing is I've got all of the information there at my fingertips, which is absolutely key.